so high. Feet on the ground, but I still get by. Rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold.
Hey, what's up guys? Yun o, ito yung mapa ng subway dito sa Barcelona. Kali ito tayo ngayon. Dito tayo sa line 5. Line 5 na blue, no? Dito tayo sa hospital clinic. Pupunta tayo ng bunker guys. Ito. Dito tayo baba. Bunker ng Carmel. Tingnan natin ng spot dun guys. Okay. Ito naman ang mapa, no? Line 5. Let's go. Sakay na tayo o mamaya? Yung next na lang sakyan natin guys. Medyo puno kasi ito. Magantay tayo ng mas maluwag, okay? Napakainit nga lang ngayon guys. Nasa 32 degrees. Yun guys, padating na yung sundo natin. 511, di ba? 511. Sakay na tayo, let's go. So yun guys, nandito tayo sa Carmel. Bumaba tayo ng subway based on Google Maps. Lalakad pa tayo ng 1.2 kilometers. First time ko kasing pupunta dito guys. Ito ay mataas na part na ng Barcelona. Kaya tanaw mo ang buong Barcelona. So maglalakad tayo guys ng hasta 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. Depende sa bilis ng lakad natin. So, let's go. Medyo pakyat to guys. Yun, pakyat yan. Doon sa likod niyan. Bundok na to. Yan, so lakad-lakad. So guys, yan o, kapakatas natin. Yun o. Wow, matas na yung kinalagyan natin guys. Tanong na natin ang dagat dito. So yun guys, ang tanawin dito mula sa taas, no? Montjuic. Bundok na yun yung Montjuic. Alayin natin. So yun, tayo masyad. kotse dun. yung ginalagyan natin. Magandaanan dito. Dito tayo. Let's go. May upuan pa dun, oh. Yan. Wala pa dito dahil mga kahoy. Lamig-lamig ng konti. Hindi tayo galing, isawa. Spot na yung station. Station ng subway. Yan. Let's go, get pa tayo dun sa may taas pa. Let's go. Ito guys, may mga bahay na dito. No? Bungalows type. Nakamoto pala dito. Maganda. 6 hour. Yung ganito lang yan. Line 4. Kaya yung zone place. Hindi tayo mag-motorize dito once. Hanggang dito po pwede. Yes, itong building na to 1927. Ito, tinatapon ng mga ano yan, mga yan. Last part na. Last part. Nakiyatan. Schedule pa. Summer. Pag-summer hanggang 7:30. 7:30 ng gabi. Let's go. Guys, akyat na tayo. Ito yung pinaka-bunker, no? Tingnan natin ang history nito. Kung anong ano dito talaga, no? Malamang naging ano dito nung World War, no? guys. Hintayin na lang natin sunset dito, no? Dahil nag-aantay dito guys na sunset. Yan. Dating sila. Hindi kaya pinintentong bunker na to, no? Bakit pinintento? Wala pinabayaan na. Diba? Ito mamaya lulubog yan. Ibidabo. Yun o. Ibidabo. Lulubog. Sunset. Right. Yan. Ito guys yung ano ng bunker. Sabi ko na nga ba may mga tangke dito, no? Yan ang medyo malabo. Tingnan na lang natin ang history na ito. Yan. Ito siya unang panahon, no? Dito yan, tangke.
One of Barcelona's best viewpoints is also a sought-after spot for military history enthusiasts. The summit of Turó de la Rovira Hill, in Barcelona's El Carmel neighborhood, is home to the so-called Carmel bunkers, the remains of a Civil War anti-aircraft battery that has been revitalized in recent years as a leisure and recreation area for locals and visitors alike. History of the bunkers. March 1938, the Spanish Civil War was in full swing. Nationalist air forces were besieging Barcelona with constant aerial bombardments. The Republican Army decided to install four 105mm Vickers anti-aircraft guns on the Turó de la Rovira Hill, a location offering a perfect vantage point over Barcelona to defend the city against air attacks. During the first 2 years of the Civil War, Barcelona endured more than 200 air raids carried out by Italian aircraft fighting for the nationalist side. These were saturation or carpet bombings, involving massive numbers of bombs, intended to demoralize the civilian population. It is estimated that the attacks caused between 900 and 1,300 deaths and damaged some 50 buildings. Curiously, the March 1938 bombing was ordered by Benito Mussolini, whose forces enjoyed a degree of autonomy at their airbases in Mallorca. It is believed that Franco was unaware of the *Duces* order. Mussolini's actions may have been motivated by jealousy over the Nazi annexation of Austria, or simply intended as a warning. Alongside the installation of the cannons, auxiliary structures, such as command posts and sleeping quarters, were built at Turó de la Rovira to service the battery. Today, only ruins remain. Republican forces disabled the artillery pieces during their retreat in January 1939, and the battery subsequently fell into a state of abandonment for decades. Although popularly known as the Carmel bunkers, no bunkers in the strict sense of the word ever existed at the site. What was installed there was an anti-aircraft battery, one of many built during the Spanish conflict.
So yun guys, baba na tayo. Next time natin hintay ng sunset. Ako'y medyo nahihilo na. Yan. Medyo gutom na ako. Kailangan natin bumaba. Let's go. Yun o, doon tayo galing o. Bunker. Yan. Kuha natin yung ito, elevator na escalator.
I got my head in the clouds so high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. Rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me.